Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Fold this green color of fruit foam net, roll it, paste it on the top of this yellow clay, put the eyes of the snail and add more details using sketch pen and it's ready. Fold this yellow color of foam net, tie it using rubber band or you can also use a thread and look, the fruit is ready. Let's make the crown using green color of foam net, put it on the top of it, paste googly eyes and it's ready. We're going to cut a yellow circle. Now cut the pink fruit foam net and paste it on the top of the circle using double-sided tape. Paste the smiley eyes and leaves and look, your flower is ready. The red and white foam net, combine them together, cut it like we're doing here from the sides and the body is ready. Similar way we're going to make the fins and paste all of them. Paste the eyes of the fish and look, it is ready. Going to paste double-sided tape on this orange. Now cut yellow foam net, make small pieces and paste it around the orange like this. Here we're going to make a lion face, paste its googly eyes, its ear and dab it on the top of another orange and look, it's ready. Similar way, put the tail as well and it's done. Going to cover and tie this red color of foam net like we're doing here. Now make 4 pieces and put all of them one over another, roll it and make this large circle. Now we are going to put it inside another foam net and we are going to make a lantern here. So paste this yellow color of foam net, paste frills and hanging and it's ready. We are going to take this yellow color of foam net. You can take red or green like you can see on the back side. So tie it using rubber band and make a ball like this. Here we're going to make this oval shape, put leaves and stick and look, your apples are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please